What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize your macOS Tahoe dock and menu bar. After updating to macOS Tahoe, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen to open the system settings. From here, select the desktop and dock section. Disable automatically hide and show the dock so you can see changes live while you customize. Most of what we'll adjust is cosmetic and won't change how the dock behaves. First, adjust size from small to large and set magnification to off, small or large. This controls how much app icons grow when you hover over them with your cursor. Below, change the dock position from the default bottom to left or right if you prefer the dock on the side. This can make sense when you use multiple monitors. Next, choose whether to automatically hide the dock, whether to choose an animation when apps open, and whether to display the small dot under the app icon when that app is running. Then review your Stage Manager and Widget options. Some of these settings are new with macOS Tahoe 26 and let you use your iPhone widgets right on your Mac. Scroll to the menu bar section. Choose when to hide the menu bar. In full screen only, the default. Always. It appears when you move the cursor to the top. On desktop only, or never. This comes down to personal preference. Below that, enable or disable the menu bar background. Next, decide which controls and apps appear in the menu bar. For example, you might disable Siri and keep essential controls like Spotlight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery percentage, focus modes, and so on. Some third-party apps can also appear in the menu bar. In my case, Adobe Creative Cloud shows up here. After reviewing settings, tidy your dock. You can drag icons out of the dock to remove them from the dock while keeping the apps installed. For example, open the apps section in your dock to find all applications. You can also drag icons from the apps section back into the dock, and rearrange icons by dragging them along the dock. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.